services, and then there's
the discussions were organized by Uganda Joint Christian Council and Stretch for Hope Uganda with the major aim of reminding Christian lawyers of their advocacy role for the vulnerable in the country.
I think we still need to do a lot of advocacy, not only outside, but believe me, even within us. We may talk about the vulnerable Christians, and we may think it is the state that is discriminating them, but sometimes we are in silence part of it.
Rights advocates have on several occasions urged Parliament to pass the Legal Aid Bill, which aims to offer free legal services to vulnerable citizens who cannot afford legal representation.
Christian lawyers, advocates, and other professionals must work together to uphold the principles of justice and equality for all Christians, aligning their faith and professional duties in service to the vulnerable.
While there are many marginalized people who need advocacy services, ignorance has been cited as one of the major impediments to justice.
If we go to her directly, she will even abuse you, or not abuse you, or ignore you. So, lawyers, please tell us, what should we do? We look for you and come in, or we go to the police?
So I have decided personally, the moment I involve in any situation, and you have very many brokers around you, I tell you that those people, let them help you. If you called me as a professional, allow me to do the job the way I know it. But many of us are relying on brokers.
Reverend Father Daniel Musitwa, the acting executive secretary, Uganda Joint Christian Council, wants Christian lawyers to be more proactive in their approach to help those in need of legal services.
You as lawyers can look around and say, such a thing is now taking place. Actually, there are many buffet and many people are being fooled around. But I would feel a lawyer would come up if there is a media space where you could somehow give us some alerts.
Despite efforts by the judiciary to have more judges in courts in different regions of the country, access to justice is still a challenge for the most vulnerable in the country, primarily because of the cost of accessing it. Diano Olwen Peters, UBC News in Kampala.